Good day, once again. You're here with the Technorat Master YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Apple Glass introduced by Apple and expected to be available for use around 2026, which is currently at a testing stage. So let's jump into the video. Apple Glass is a next-generation smart glasses device developed by Apple Inc., designed for industrial and daily use with augmented reality (AR) capabilities. It enhances the user's real-world vision by overlaying digital information onto the physical world, presenting a futuristic visual experience. 1. Design and project status. The Apple Glass project was publicly revealed around 2020 by Apple. As of now, it has not been officially released and remains in its research and development phases. It is expected to be a simpler, more everyday use AR device compared to the Apple Vision Pro, which is more immersive and feature-rich. 2. Market demand. Augmented reality technology has seen growing demand across various sectors. Companies like Microsoft with the HoloLens and Meta with its smart glasses are already in the race. Apple intends to enter this competitive AR market with Apple Glass, combining innovation with its ecosystem integration. 3. Key features. iPhone integration. Apple Glass is expected to work closely with an iPhone, using it as the processing hub in displaying information via the glasses. Prescription lenses. Support. Apple states that the lenses can be adjusted to suit individuals with vision impairments, making the device accessible for more users. 4. Estimated price and release date. Apple Glass is expected to be released within the next few years. Reports suggest the price will be around $499, which is relatively lower than devices like the Apple Vision Pro. 5. Summary. Apple Glass is a promising AR device that Apple aims to introduce as part of its drive for technological innovation. It enables users to interact with visual information in a simple and natural way in their everyday lives. With Apple Glass, the company hopes to offer users a lightweight form of mobile computing, hands-free control, and a new way to learn and work in both digital and physical environments.